we have yellow spit moong dal, half cup, chili flakes 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of red chili powder, ginger paste, some asafoetida, salt, and green chili paste, and some wheat flour. So let's start with the moong dal first, yellow split dal. We are going to soak it for overnight and then wash it, drain all the water and then grind into a coarse paste. So I have already prepared the paste. You can see the paste coarse. So let's start making it. So in a fine strainer I have added the moong dal and we are going to squeeze out the water from it. After squeezing the water, add the cumin and coriander, red chili flakes, some asafoetida or hing, about 1/4 teaspoon of green chili paste, 1/4 teaspoon to half teaspoon of ginger paste, salt about or adjust to your taste, and mix well. Incorporate some wheat flour into it. So we have incorporated about 1.5 teaspoon of wheat flour to it and made a paste like this. And now we need a wet handkerchief, some water in a bowl, and a steel or stainless steel bowl. So now my mother is going to prepare it. Take a wet handkerchief, cover it with like this and fold it from down and wet it with water, fresh water, nicely. So you can see like this we have to press it and add to hot oil and let them fry until golden brown in medium flame. After preparing all of them, now we need 2 vessels with water. We have to wash them. So let's start. Now we have to let it be in the water for about 5 minutes. So while they are soaking in the water, let's prepare the water for the vadas. Here I have some water normal temperature. I am going to add some salt to it, approximately around 3/4 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder and about 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Add to this and make this water mix. And now we are going to squeeze the water from it and add to the water. And we are going to let this rest in the counter itself for about 24 hours. I have added all of them and we are going to rest this for about 24 hours in the counter itself. And if you want to eat after 24 hours, you can eat it right away. And if you want to keep it for longer, you may have to keep it in the refrigerator. So let's check it after 24 hours. So you can see the vadas after 24 hours. Now I am going to prepare kanji vadas. I have taken the vada and keeping in a bowl. For this is a water based vada and looks very tempting. It's really good for digestion too. So I have added 2 vadas. Usually 2 vadas are served and lots of water is served with them. So I am going to pour some water over them. You can see I have poured some water. Approximately around half cup of water I have added. So as the color also changes little bit, it looks really yummy, but we are going to spice it up. I have added some salt and here I have 3 spices: cumin powder, red chili powder and chaat masala. So this is cumin powder. Sprinkle cumin powder makes the best taste in it. So I have added lots of cumin powder, red chili powder, If you have little bit coarse red chili powder, that's the best for it. I was not having it, so I have added fine powder and chaat masala. So now mix little water, because the masala that I added was really fine of red chili. That's why I am adding some water over it. Or you may add lots of water to it so that it covers up with water, so you don't have to mix. So at last, really nicely and serve. Do check out my blog cookandshook.blogspot.com. Do like my page fb.com/cookingshooking. And now you are seeing the photograph of the